In this video, we are going to cover the equipment section of the Crestron Home Configurator. There are several ways that you can add equipment to your system. The first method is pressing the green plus icon and typing in the information. You will need to choose the device type, the model, and give it a unique name. The second method is by typing in whatever you want in the search bar up here. This is only practical if you have a good idea of what you're looking for, or have a general idea of what the model name is. This particular processor that we are using does not have a wireless Infinite-X gateway, and therefore we will need to add one now for our wireless devices. Next, we want to add a wireless keypad to the equipment room. Notice how we can simply type glass as a keyword in the search bar and it will pull up the products that are related to the products that have a glass option. To actually select the glass option, you will need to select a compatible product and then choose the glass type. Next, we will add a wireless dimmer into the living room. As we start to add wireless devices, notice how it automatically assigns them to the existing gateway that we added into our system. Also, we can check the boxes for other rooms we might want to add the same type of dimmer into, and we can increase the quantity if we want to. Next, we will add a thermostat into our system. Notice how we can check the box to make sure there is a thermostat in all three of the rooms. Next, we will add shades into our system. If we type the keyword shade, we are able to view the shade motors that are available. Since we added an Infinite-X shade to the living room and master bedroom, a wireless gateway is required. Notice how there is a checkbox next to the gateway present in our system, because it will assign them to the gateway. Once we are commissioning the system, we will still need to pair the shades with the gateway, but this is designating what the plan is when the equipment is installed. As we can see, we now have shade motors added to our rooms. Next, we will add a Crestron keypad into the equipment room and the master bedroom. Notice how it is assigning it to the internal Crestron gateway of our processor. Let's take a look at our wireless gateway. In this example, we added the I version of the gateway when we just wanted the normal version. Fixing something like this is easy using the drop-down here. To save the changes, we just need to select something else in the system. Moving on to the equipment room keypad, we can give it a unique name here. We can also configure the various options available on the keypad. If we go to our thermostat, we can configure its settings, schedule, and assignment. Since we are not using a remote temperature sensor, we do not need to assign that here. For shades, we can choose the material, gateway power supply, and other information. Next, we need to assign lighting loads to our dimmers. In a previous video, we added lighting loads to the Loads tab in this configuration. Assigning loads is easy. All we need to do is select the dimmer and choose the assignment option. Locate the load we want to assign and press the Assign button. Next, we will assign the rest of the loads.